What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sean P again, back with another video. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. And today, this is just pretty much like a update video on my year. I'm in my 10th week right now. As you can see, my patchy spots are coming in somewhat up here on the cheek line, up in the cheek area, up here, right here. And yeah, it's coming in somewhat decent. I haven't touched it. I haven't trimmed it. I'm trying to go as long as I can without trimming it. I'm probably going to go 12 weeks and then try to trim it up, shape it up so I don't look that rough. But other than that, it's coming in pretty decent. And it's not really much. Like I said, I haven't really done anything different in terms of like, I'm still taking that beard supplement, the Rooster Booster. And it's kind of helping. You know, it's not really hindering my growth. So actually took the last dose today. I'm done with that bottle. I'll probably end up doing a review tomorrow on the Rooster Booster beer supplement by Boss Man Brands. And the topic I kind of want to talk about today, other than the year update, is how do I stay motivated on my beer journey? Well, a lot has to do with how I stay motivated is more like YouTube, like you guys subscribing, you know, sending me messages on YouTube, Instagram, you know, whatever social media, and encouraging me to, hey, you know, that is coming in, it looks good. That helps a lot. YouTube has helped a lot, like in terms of watching other people's videos and their content. And yeah, a lot of people, I mean, have helped with my journey, man. I can't even express how much a lot of people has helped, like with my journey. Like there's Be the Barber, Black Men's Beard, Scuba, Dancy Bearded. A lot of people. I mean, there's a lot. I mean, Gray Bailey. There's a lot of people that helped me on my journey the first time, and they're helping me now because if anybody knows me, I don't really watch a whole lot of TV. If I watch anything on TV, it's like sports, like basketball, football, baseball, whatever. I don't really watch the news. I don't really watch a whole lot of movies on TV because I'm not, for some reason, I just don't watch a lot of TV. I don't know why. It's just how I am. And I watch more YouTube than anything. And I watch all these like beard channels and how they do their like reviews and the tips they give. That kind of motivates me to keep, you know, stay on my journey in terms of growing my beard. Because like I said, you're gonna hear a lot of like people doubt you and ask you why you growing it, and they're not gonna be like, they're not gonna like it. And like I said before in previous videos, it's not about what they say, it's just about what you're doing, and you have good reasons for doing it. Now you have good reasons for growing a beard, continue to grow it. But if you're growing it for somebody else, don't do it for them, do it for you. And another thing that kind of helped me on my, you know, journey, my motivation wise, like just like joining these beer communities. Like there's a lot of beer communities on Instagram, a lot of beer communities on YouTube, on Facebook. You can join them, man, and you see all these pictures of these, you know, these people growing their beards out, and it kind of motivates you to stay on your journey. So like that kind of helps. And I don't know, man, it's kind of weird with me, but I listen to a lot of motivational stuff. Like I listen to a lot of C.T. Fletcher, that dude, like he'll motivate you to run like up a hill, up a mountain, or whatever, man. If you listen to him, people might not really like him too much because he's like kind of offensive, like with his language and stuff. But I mean, he'll motivate you to do whatever you know what you want to do in life, even if it's not growing a beard. It could be starting a business. He'll motivate you to do that. And there's another guy I listen to, Eric Thomas, and he goes by the Hip Hop Preacher, and he's another guy I listen to that helps me kind of keep me motivated. But I mean, a lot of stuff, I mean, kind of helps me keep motivated on my journey, man. People just talking trash, and you know, and then there's people that like say they like the beard, and it kind of keeps you on your journey. But I just, you know, and this video is really kind of for more of the beginner, like, you know, beardsmen trying to start in their journey. Like if you like, if I could help you, I'll try to help the best way I can. I mean, join a beard community. I mean, talk to somebody who has a beard already. You know, ask them, hey man, how'd you grow your beard? What do you use? I mean, there's a lot of people out here that will help you. And yeah, like like I said, man, it's just like, you know, motivation wise, there's a lot of, you know, stuff that motivates me. I mean, that help me stay on this journey. It's just, like I said, the subscribers that, like I said, I didn't really envision really getting subscribers. I was just gonna like chart my journey and just like, you know, prove to people that you can grow it regardless. It just, sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it takes longer than, you know, others to grow a beard. But like I said, I'm here with y'all. I'm doing the journey with y'all. Like, see my earlier videos, and you know, I'm like I said, I started over. And really, technically, I didn't really start over because I didn't completely shave all of my stuff off. But like I said, I mean, I'm on a journey with y'all. I'm gonna do it until I hit my year, regardless of split ends, all that stuff. I'm here until the wheels fall off. I mean, I'm not letting this go. It's gonna be hard for me to shave it, to be honest. Like, it was hard for me to do it before, but now I'm gonna prove that you can grow a beard, that beards are cool to have, that you can have a beard in the workplace. Like, people kind of think that beards are kind of correlated with laziness. Like, if you grow a beard, it's just a sign that you're lazy. And I hate to say it, but I don't really believe that, to be honest, because I see a lot of these beard routines on YouTube and on Instagram, and some of these beard routines are very meticulous on how they groom their beards and how they keep their beards up. So to say that, you know, a person with a beard is lazy, I just is stereotype. I don't believe it. I started the channel really to kind of put beards in a positive light. And yeah, I mean, it's like, if you want to grow a beard, grow a beard. Just do it. Like this, like Nike says, just do it. And with that, man, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all Monday. Happy Monday. You know, enjoy the rest of y'all day. Get through y'all work day. It's almost over. For some of y'all, I don't know your work schedules, but you know, with that, I hope you like, comment, subscribe. And if you watch this video, thank you for watching this video. And I'm out.